Have you got a packet of seeds lying around and you haven't sown them yet because the weather isn't quite right, or you've got a bunch of seedlings or cuttings that you need to protect until they take root? Well, greenhouse gardening can provide you with many benefits, more so than conventional gardening. And I've found the perfect one for this garden. This is the Holman 2-metre depth greenhouse kit with a misting system. It is the ultimate DIY project. It is so simple to set up. Firstly, let's talk specs. The frame is made from a powder-coated durable metal, so you know it's going to stay standing and no wolf will blow this house down. And you have 2 metres square of perfect growing space, which you can fit shelving or a potting bench. Put your tools away, as this is a bolt, screw and tool-free project. Anyone can have this set up in no time. Lay the pieces out in front of you, as it helps to paint the picture of how it all connects. Start with the base frame and work your way up from there. Make sure you push the connecting pieces together well. Now that the roof is on, check these out. These are the inbuilt shelves and they just simply sit in like this, and they're a perfect depth for seedling trays. And they're nice and strong, so you'll be able to grow plenty of plants in here, even potted plants. But next up is the watering system, and it simply just clicks on. Attach the PVC pipe to the top with the snap locks. Add the sprinklers, connect it to a tap, and you're ready to go. For this part, I'm needing some backup. I'm only 5'2", but my sound man, Ben, he's 6'2", so he's gonna be great help getting this cover on. Once we're happy with it, we'll tie it into place. The cover has a zipper door, which you can simply roll up if you want to allow more airflow into the greenhouse, or for your own leisure. And there you have it, a greenhouse anyone can install within a day, and it's perfect for growing fresh food or salad all year round. And if you're a collector of unusual rare plants, you can even pop them in here too. And a greenhouse is a great way to expand your garden, and you've already created that nice humid environment so you can extend that growing season into the cooler months.